What's going on, everyone? It's Dave from AWE and welcome back to another Civic Type R tips and tricks video. Today we're going to go over some key points in installing your Civic Type R system. This applies in most parts to the Civic Si as well, to avoid contact with any part of our system in any part of your chassis. Check it out.
Alright guys, now that our heat shield's back in with our front pipe, it's real important to avoid rattles that we check our clearance up here. We want to make sure this heat shield is not hitting the front pipe at all. If it is, take a pry bar and give the heat shield just a little bit of a push to get the clearance you need.
So guys, we're talking way up in there. That's a point of contact that you want to avoid.
Alright guys, anytime you install an AWE pipe with a slip fit, you want to make sure your clamp's on and you slide it on. You want to make sure this pipe is fully bottomed as far as it'll go against the previous piece to ensure a proper fit. Alright, we're getting ready to install the rear section with a quick tip to make installation even easier. These rubber mounts, you want to push them as far to the rear of the car as you can to help getting the new AWE system in. Get your slip fit on, and now these bushings slide right on.
Well, that wraps up this tips and tricks video. If you have any questions, comment below or send us a direct message, like, follow, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.